Oh, what's up, y'all? I'm letting Junior drive. Bro, you done broke my car. Get out. Get out. You ain't driving no more. I'm playing with you. Bro, this man wrecked my Tesla. And he expect to get some more coins. I should spawn my car back. Look at him. He about to crash. You crashed again in my car. Bro, why would you crash? Just do drifts. Hey, what you crashing for? Cuz. Come. Bro, you doing too much. You crashing my car. No, I ain't see nothing. I wasn't looking. Be quiet. Stop saying ooh. Before I lock my car. Ooh. No. You ain't get. Hey, bro. Bro, get out.
My bad,
Get out.
No, okay, I'm sorry. Name, if you in that back seat, I'm wrecking your car. What I'm about to say.
And if you wreck my car, I'm kicking you out.
And then you gonna leave me right on the side of the road.
Yep, like a homeless person. I'm gonna leave you right on the side of the road. you gonna be putting your thumbs up the cars and they just gonna pass you.
So are you ready? Are you ready for me to go?
Shut up.
3, 2, 1. Oh!
What the? You saw my wheel? Nah, get out. Get out. No. Nah, get out. Get out. You getting out. No. Get out.
You serious?
Yeah, get out.
Man.
Get out of my car.
Bro. Come on.
No. I'm gonna leave
I
you.
left my phone in there. Well, I left my money in there.
Nope. I'm bootlegging it. I'm bootlegging your money, bruh. And ooh, he got a golden Glock in here. That's his favorite Glock too. I'm stealing it.
Man, let me go in here. I'm gonna just go all the way to my truck.
Freaky thought this was boot gone.
That was really prop money. That man really died.
Prop money. Oh, that boy broke. He got prop money, y'all. Y'all hear this? He said he got prop money. That boy broke in real life. That boy Anthony Logan Brown Jr. He broke.
I'm gonna try to. Why you giving up my whole day?
Ah.
Let me call ring.
Oh no, we not about to do this. I'm lagging.